Hi guys. I'm Sean from Pot-Pourri. Today I'm gonna show you how to sign up for a new Gmail account. First search for Gmail sign up. And go to create your Google account page. In that page type your first and last name, your desired username and a password for your new Gmail account. If it says that the current username is being used, you can change it as you want with another one of your own or choose one with the provided usernames until accepts. Remember to use a strong password, which combined with uppercase, capital, lowercase, simple, letters, numbers and characters like $, or hash signs and retype that password to confirm. Click Next. Give your mobile number. Give recovery email address if you have one or that you can reach out if in a case of security issue. Select your date of birth and gender from the drop-down menus. And after confirming all your details, click Next. In the next step, either you can verify your account details by the availability of your mobile number or you can also skip this step for now. But right now I'm going to click Send to receive the code. And after typing the verification code without letting, click Verify, and you can click Yes, I'm in to use your mobile number to receive video calls and messages through Google services, or you can skip this as well. In the next step click I agree as the finale step. And here you have created a new Gmail account. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.